Solve this question. So 1 out of 3 divided by 3 out of 5. 1 out of 3. You do reciprocal. 5 out of 3. Then remember that you have to reverse this, right? And it turns into 5 out of 3. Then you multiply all together. Then this is going to be 5 out of 9. And the second one, 3 out of 4 times 8 out of 1 can be cancelled. Then you can times them together. This is 1. And 3 times 2 out of 1, that equals to 6, whole number. Now let's do question 3 and 4, or C and D. C and D, if I have 2 out of 4 divided by 5 out of 3, and then D, we have 2 out of 3, you divide it with 7 out of 3. Now you can do the same. Remember that you have to do reciprocal for the second fraction. Now we can see that 2 out of 4 reciprocal, 3 out of 5, then you times, this is going to be 6 out of 20. This can be simplified by dividing with 2 both. Then this is going to be 3 out of 10. For D, you have 2 out of 3 times 3 out of 7. Then this can be cancelled. So the remaining 2 times 1 equals to 2, and 1 times 7 equals to 7. Okay?